Would you like to be able to capture your desktop and record it so you can see what's going on? In that case, you need to have some type of desktop recording software. There's different options out there. I use OBS Studio. It's free and it's worked really well for me. I've used it when I'm getting remote technical help. I can record what they're helping me with. I can save that video for future use, refer back to it. I've also used it to record issues in real time because you can't get a hold of tech support instantly, typically. So then I'll make a recording of what I'm seeing. I can attach that to an email and send that off to them. So you can go to this obsproject.com if that's what you want to go with. Download it for your operating system. In my case, I have Windows and I already have it. The first thing you have to do though is you have to add a source. So I hit the plus sign here and I added the display capture. You can see that it's capturing my whole display. There's some other things you can do that I would recommend for this basic setup. I'll go over a mic setting in a different video here. If you go to settings, you can see that the general I haven't messed with. The appearance I leave alone. I don't stream, so I haven't messed with that. Output, I put it as an MP4. They warn you that if you record it as an MP4 and something happens, you'll lose that whole recording. So if you use their MKV file, then you can go and remux it. So if I go to OK, if I did it as an MKV, I can go up here to file and I can remux that recording to an MP4. I just do it straight to MP4 because I'm making short videos. I'm not making 2-hour long videos. So I'm not taking a chance of losing all that information. So I just leave that as an MP4, then I can load it right up to YouTube. The audio, I have this microphone. I'm going to go over that in a different video. I did not start out with that. I started out with a really cheap one and it ended up wasting a bunch of time for me. The video, I do 1920 by 1080. You can figure that out by going to your display settings. So I've already typed it in once. So I went down the taskbar. If you type in display, it'll bring this up. You can see that my resolution is 1920 by 1080. The only thing I use for hotkeys is when I want to start recording and stop. So I use the insert button on my keyboard and I use the end. And that's because when I'm inside this, I don't want to have to open this up and start recording and then stop. It just looks clunky to me if you're trying to make a quick video. The other thing is that when it saves as this video file and it saves all those videos underneath this part in your file explorer. So if you click on file explorer and videos, it creates a folder and you can put all your videos in there. You can organize them by folder. There's just many things you can do with it, and it's helped me quite a bit because I've referred back to videos many times.